Well, here's a little video of my Carrera slot car track. I borrowed my neighbor's GoPro camera, and I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're going to have a little test here. I'm going to pan over my cars here and show you my collection first, and then I'm going to mount this camera on a car and follow her down the road and see what happens. Alright, let me back up. Park this baby right back here, and let's see what happens. Hopefully I don't wreck the car, crash the car and wreck Tom's camera, but we shall see. Here we go. That's the test. Let's hit the off button and see what the hell happens.